Namaste everyone. So now today we'll be continuing further with the story Wonderful Waste. In the last video we saw that when the cook heard that he had to do something with the vegetable leftovers, he was very anxious. Then suddenly an idea sparked in his mind. So now we'll be reading about that idea, that what that idea was. What was the cook thinking? So let's see. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. So the cook gathered all the vegetable scraps, he washed them thoroughly, very nicely and cleaned them, right? Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. So after he cleaned the vegetables thoroughly, he carefully chopped them into long strips, the shape he wanted. Then he put them in a big saucepan, a pot, and he placed that pot on the stove to cook. Right? He started the fire. He grounded some coconut, then green chilies and garlic all together. So he prepared a paste and he added that paste and a little salt as per the taste to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. So a tempting smell, a wonderful aroma, started coming out from the pot. After that, he added some curd and curry leaves. He even poured a few spoons of coconut oil on it. After the dish was prepared, he decorated that dish with curry leaves. So voila, the dish was ready. Now it was a new dish, right? The dish was prepared for the very first time. So after the dish was prepared and everything else for the feast was prepared, the cook served his new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. The name came to his mind. He named it avial. So everyone was quite eager to know the name of the new dish, right? They tasted it for the first time. Everyone loved it a lot. But now what was the name of the dish? Each and every dish you eat has a specific name. So they wanted to know the name of this dish. So this dish was prepared for the very first time by the cook. So even he had not named the dish. So he kept on thinking that what should be the name of the dish. Then suddenly a name came to his mind and this dish was given the name avial by the cook. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. So now avial has become a popular dish at Kerala feast. And the catch is that it was made from scratch with only a basket of waste. But now this dish is part of traditional Kerala feast. Isn't it amazing? So now you will be thinking that what does actually avial mean? Why did he name the dish avial? So actually the word avial is used to denote boiled or cooked in water. So he named it avial because that's how the dish was actually prepared. It is derived from the way the dish is actually made. Hence the reason the new dish was named as avial. So this was all about the story Wonderful Waste. Now in the next video we'll be summarizing the story, so stay tuned. Thank you so much.